Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Assignment 6 discussion. English Assignment 6 discussion. So let's see our today's class. Class 6, Subject English, Term Annual. Topic Assignment 6 discussion, Lecture 11, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see our today's class. Okay, so as you can see, this is your assignment 6. So lesson number and topics, lesson 12, Son of the Soil. So this assignment from your English for Today book, lesson 12, Son of the Soil. Okay, so let's see your assignment or assigned tasks. Theme of the title, Son of the Soil. So this is the title of your book, Son of the Soil. So theme of the title, Son of the Soil, in lesson 12. Who is the son of the soil here? Why is he named so? How does the title match the personality referred to the lesson? Justify your answer in 150 words. You could add some pictures of the sun and the soil mentioned in the lesson. So here what you will do, you will answer these 4 questions. 1. Who is the son of the soil? Why is he named so? 1, 2, 3. You will answer these 3 questions and you will justify your answer in 150 words. Next one, you could add some pictures. You can add some pictures in your writing and the soil mentioned in the lesson. Which soil is mentioned in this lesson? So next one is instructions. This assignment goes for title justification. So where student will justify the title of the lesson. In giving feedback, tell whether they could use argumentative language or not. So you have to use argumentative language. Okay, you have to show some argument about the title. Okay, so this is your assignment and instructions. Let us read the evaluation rubrics. Excellent. Students could write 150 words and arguments are solid. Students write grammatically correct sentences. Students is free from spelling mistakes. Student uses appropriate and varied vocabulary. Student uses clear and colorful pictures of Bangabandhu and Tungipara. Very good. Students could write 120 words, not 150, and the arguments are solid. Most of the sentences are grammatically correct. Students makes occasional spelling mistakes. Students uses appropriate and varied vocabulary with occasional errors. Students uses pictures of Bangabandhu and Tungipara. Good. Student could write at least 80 words and the arguments are acceptable. There are recurrent grammatical mistakes. Students makes frequent spelling mistakes. Student uses limited and repeated vocabulary. Student uses 1 picture of Bangabandhu and 1 picture of Tungipara. Needs improvement. Students could write at least 50 words to establish their argument. Only few sentences are grammatically correct. Students makes random spelling mistakes. The production has random inappropriate vocabulary. Students either does not use any picture of Bangabandhu and Tungipara or the picture are of poor quality. So you can contact with me, Ariful Islam, so you can join me at Roshan Khandakar Miss. Your submission date of assignment is 30/10/2021. So submission date is 30 October 2021, Saturday. So my dear students, do your assigned assignment, English Assignment 6, and submit on 30/10/2021, Saturday. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a great parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.